Isaac, what are you?
Hey, I got these.
Transmission dropper on my armsies.
What about the cat?
They're 24?
It's 18 actually.
Oh, it's an 18 there.
This is how you install a ship shaft. Coming now.
Yeah, you're thinking kind of the same way as me. It's got to be fatter in places. Yeah.
I think that we need to do 100 million passes, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Hold it right as flush to it as you can. Flip it over time. That's basically it. It's not working like it usually does. God damn, this is not working as good as usual.
Yeah, that might be. Okay, that looks sick right there, huh? Alright, I'm gonna throw a little red right here, maybe to like. I'll leave it that.
Yeah, it's already red enough there. Let Sam go ahead with the black around this rim.
This gun doesn't go down to a tip like the other one does. It'll do like a half.
Inking up on it. Get any of those lemon cookies? Look like it would.
She's got the onion.
Alright, check me out.
Cut that thing out.
Alright, so I'm going to show you where we're going to cut it. Okay. I'm going to cut it here. You can mark the scales. Yep. You get it across there. And then, so we'll split this. This this will be our top, so we'll shade it here, right? Shade along here. So this will be our mask shade, and then we'll need this bottom part. We'll need to keep this bottom part, just cut it down to here, so it's a whole thick thing to mask everything below that's already been hit. So periodically cover up what we already just hit, and then mask off what we'll do next. So we'll just link them together.
This is so good. So let's keep that going.
That's good.
We should have paid the full helmet team. The left side is going to fade faster than the right side. Oh, yeah. They'll have a white fatigue fade on it.
Your helmet's looking sick, Gavin. I like the middle part where it both comes in.
Yeah, but what do you think about this?
That's pretty sweet.
Who the fuck is outside?
Annie's here. And Nacho. be a terrible. Oh, my bad.
The middle finger. I'm taking the video.